This video will break down the biomechanics of the preparation, action, and follow-through phases of hurdling. We begin with the novice at a side view. Now a front view of the novice and the other side. Now we move to the expert side view. Now a front view of the expert. And now the other side. We'll now be breaking down the preparation phases of the expert versus the novice. During the preparation phase, the expert leads with the knee in his approach to the hurdle. A common mistake is leading with the foot. The hip flexes at a 58-degree angle in relation to the trunk, and the knee flexes to create nearly an 80-degree angle. The muscles of the leg proximal from the knee should be parallel to the ground, and the lead foot is in dorsiflexion. With that being said, the extremities distal to the knee should be perpendicular to the ground. The trail leg should be extended and the foot is in plantar flexion resisting gravity. Also, the lead arm, which is opposite the lead leg, should be flexed at the shoulder and extended at the elbow, resulting in a parallel position to the ground. The trail arm should be flexed at 90-degree angle at the elbow and extended at the shoulder. Additionally, the trunk flexes to create momentum through the hurdle. Now we will look at the novice in the preparation phase. Notice the knee and hip are not parallel with the ground. The hip needs to be more flexed. Additional to that, the trunk needs more flexion to create momentum going over the hurdle. Also notice that the lead arm is not flexed at the shoulder, creating a vertical position. On the upside, notice the novice knee is leading and not the foot. We will now break down the action phases of the expert and the novice. During the action phase, the expert gets as close to the hurdle as he can without hitting him. The lead leg knee is nearly fully extended at 170 degrees with the foot slightly in plantar flexion. The trail leg abducts at the hip with the extremities distal from the knee in flexion at approximately a 45-degree angle. The lead arm is abducted from the body and the trail arm is extended at the shoulder with slight flexion of the elbow. Now we look at the novice in the action phase. Notice that the novice is standing almost straight up, which is a result of not flexing properly at the trunk. Additionally, his trail arm is abducted away from the body. Also, his trail leg should be abducted away from the body, yet it is right underneath him. On the upside, the lead leg is extended properly with the lead foot also in plantar flexion. We will now break down the follow-through phases of the expert and the novice. During the follow-through phase, the trail leg rips through and the hip flexes, creating a 75-degree angle with the knee flexed at a 70-degree angle. When the lead leg touches the ground, you should be able to draw a straight line from the lead shoulder to the lead ankle perpendicular to the ground. The lead arm is fully extended at the shoulder and the elbow is flexed at a 90-degree angle. The trail arm is ripping through the body with shoulder flexion and the elbow flexed at a 90-degree angle. Now we break down the follow-through phase of the novice. Notice that the trail leg needs to be way more flexed. Also, the trail arm needs to be more extended at the shoulder to help the novice find his center of gravity. Since the novice comes off the hurdle unbalanced, it will decrease his speed and momentum to the next hurdle. Now we'll recap on the preparation, action, and follow-through phases of the novice. As the novice approaches the hurdle, you could already tell he's going to lose speed and momentum with his vertical positioning. Now in entering his action phase, you can tell he's already going to come off balance the hurdle without a smooth transition, which causes the novice to lose his center of gravity. Here's an uninterrupted view of the novice hurdling. Now we'll recap the preparation, action, and follow-through phases of the expert. Notice how the expert approaches the hurdle in his preparation phase and leans beautifully at the trunk. This causes a smooth transition over the hurdle in his action phase, which will result in a very balanced follow-through. We will now look at an uninterrupted view of the expert hurdling.
This is Josh, Brennan, and
Patrick Coffey.
thank you for watching. This has been a biomechanic breakdown of the art of hurdling. Thank you for watching again, and I hope you learned something.
Almost.
Sweet singers in the front, cruising down the freeway in the hot, hot sun. Suddenly we're blue.